On the threes.
Skies are sunny right now. Temperature 73 degrees, the dew point at 70, and that humidity at 90%. We're at 73 in Welsh and Jennings and Crowley, 74 degrees over toward Breaux Bridge and St. Martinville. We've got high pressure in control, so not a bad day today other than a couple of isolated showers or thunderstorms this afternoon. And the same goes for tomorrow and really most of the day on Sunday. So you've got some decent weather to get prepared for what may be Tropical Storm Cristobal as it moves toward the Louisiana Gulf Coast. Now, it's just a tropical depression, and a lot of times you're getting used to having a new update on the coordinates at 7 o'clock. That's not going to happen today because there are no tropical storm watches or warnings on any coastline along the Mexican coast nor on the northern Gulf Coast. So when there are no advisories in place, we get the updates every 6 hours. So the next update isn't going to come until 10 o'clock. So you want to stay tuned for that a little bit later on this morning. But right now it's a tropical depression. It is forecast to move offshore once again and do some strengthening. It'll probably become a tropical storm, and it could be a moderate to strong tropical storm as it makes its way onshore. Notice the window here has shrank quite a bit, anywhere from the Pearl River area back to around Sabine Pass, with Acadiana right there in the middle. And as far as the landfall forecast, it brings it on the Terrebonne Parish coast and then kind of cruises it up along the Highway 90 corridor. So those areas of St. Mary's, St. Martin, Iberia could easily see some wind speeds based on this forecast, maybe 45, 50 miles per hour as it passes on by, and then some stronger gusts in some of those squalls. Between now and then, you got some fine weather to get prepared if you need to move things from the patio or move things inside that would be susceptible to some stronger winds. So today looks good. We're talking about partly cloudy skies with a few afternoon storms. Same goes for Saturday. And then on Sunday, that's when things are going to transition from clouds to rain and then some windy conditions by Sunday night. Could be quite windy overnight Sunday night going into Monday, and then eventually cruising across central and northern parts of Louisiana. What this is different when it comes to what we saw with Hurricane Barry back in July. This one is going to be on the move, so it should be in and it should be back out. There's your rainfall totals with the heavier amounts, of course, east of the system. If anything changes, especially if it tracks a little farther to the west, those heavier rains may be over the Acadiana region. 91-year high today. It'll be hot and humid, an isolated shower or thunderstorm, and then more of the same for tomorrow before we start to see the rains picking up into Sunday night and Monday. Don't forget that next update from the National Hurricane Center will not come until 10 o'clock later this morning. And of course, meteorologist Daniel Phillips will be on tonight at 5, 6, and 10 with the latest. You can catch Rob as well as Bradley over the course of the weekend.